House. After listening to the opposition leader, I, as the Deputy Minister, is more convinced that this government is justified in tabling today's motion that parents should be held morally and legally responsible for their children's actions and needs. First of all, the definition of today's motion. Even after listening to the definition given by the opposition, we will stand firm with our definition as presented by the Prime Minister earlier. The opposition leader mentioned that the government and the school should be held responsible. Let us be honest here, is the school going to buy your clothes? Is the government going to provide you with food? After you fail in your examination, are you going to cry to your teachers? We go back to our parents and cry to them. And even in boarding school, when you're going to any other competition, you are given a form that your parents must sign that shows that they are responsible for your safety. Even